Hey everybody, so today we'll be going over how to use Diskonaut to find disk usage. Now, we've done many disk usage videos before, but Diskonaut is a pretty cool app because it's super easy to use. So in this written tutorial here, I show you how to build the app from source on Ubuntu and Debian, and how to install it through the AUR and Arch Linux or through the other means. So once you've got it installed, and you can find instructions in the description, what you want to do is you want to open up a terminal. And from here, this is all we need. So if you want to take a look at, so let's say, the home directory, you can just, as I bought my mic, I apologize. You can take a look at the home folder. So we can do Diskonaut and then home. Now this is going to take a look at everything I have in my home folder. It will take a while because it's got to scan everything. But you can run this on any directory. If you want to run it on the root folder, you can run it with sudo, and it'll allow you to manage and look at disk usage for root, and you can delete stuff. I would not recommend that. You can do it with a bunch of different folders, even subsystem folders, so like the opt folder, or like var, or Etsy, or whatever. But once the download is, or once the scan is done, we can see the biggest folder is my VirtualBox VMs, and the reason is because for a lot of these videos and articles that I write, I need to have a working VM that I can do snapshots and different operating systems, because if I'm using Arch Linux, not everybody uses Arch Linux, so I might need Fedora, I might need Ubuntu, and so on. If I want to delete it, I can click the backspace button, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to click no. If I want to go up a directory, I just press the escape button. Now we can go into my personal ROM archive, and I have my biggest ROM setup is PS1. I've got a bunch of PS1 games. If I wanted to delete a PS1 ROM, I could easily just select backspace, and so on. So you get the idea. You can use this to quickly view and manage file usage on your Linux desktop. You can also do this on a server. I've only used it on my desktop. For server, I just use other tools, but it's very, very cool. Just a quick guide on how to use Diskonaut. If you want to do it with root access and access the root folder, which I do not recommend, you can check out what I have here in the guide. Let me see here. All you got to do is run it as sudo. Again, only do that if you know what you're doing, but it'll allow you to delete system level folders. So maybe you have a giant folder in your root directory that you want to get rid of. You don't know, maybe you just found out that it's using like 60 gigabytes and it shouldn't be. You can use Diskonaut to delete it, or even just get a look at how your hard drive is using space. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope it was informative, and I will see you in the next one.